Bring the action.
What's going on, guys? My name is Polarful, and today I am very excited because with me I have a revolutionary product. This is an alarm clock styled as a classic Apple Macintosh. And I want you guys to know I'm not sponsored. I'm not sponsored by Amazon. I'm not sponsored by Apple. I'm not sponsored by G-Men Wonderboy Innovation Design Co. Limited. I'm not sponsored by anybody. With that being said, I am ecstatic. This is a revolutionary product. This is going to change timekeeping forever. I think that given 3 years' time, everybody in the universe, every human, every Homo sapien in the universe is going to have a Maclock. These things are going to be more common than food and water. There will be children in Africa dying of hunger that will have a Maclock. That is my vision. As you can tell, I'm absolutely ecstatic. And I would like to unbox this and test this product in front of you guys live. Now, as you can see, I've already opened this package. I've already opened this box and I've already tested the product out. But I wanted to show you guys. So, let's get to it. Okay, guys, I apologize. It is the next day. I had a family emergency. The carpet on my stairs is uneven. My grandma tripped and fell. And unfortunately, she passed away at the hospital due to her injuries. Anyway, let's get back to the Maclock. As you can see, this product has beautiful packaging. It's got a cute little Finder icon, Finder inspired. Here's the instruction manual. Just get a little bit better lighting on this. Comes with the USB-C to USB-C connector. Any wall charger. You could plug it into your phone. You can plug your Maclock into your phone. And here's the Maclock itself. And it wouldn't be a Mac without some stickers. Yay! Here I am, plugging it in for the first time. Absolutely beautiful startup sound. Nice backlight on the LCD, perfect for when it's pitch black out at night. You can see me here cycling through the various modes in the clock face mechanism. It goes time, year, and the finder icon. Absolutely stunning display. Here I've set an alarm that will go off now. This has been the Maclock. Absolutely wonderful piece of technology. We live in 2026 and it's really starting to show. Anyway, thanks, bye.